Unya na dala-dala lagi tanim pusil ba nya mangitat. Uy kabugat man ani.
You provoke my privacy. Sige, mo na ni Ron. Sige, ako na lang masingan Ron. Ako na lang dala na masingan. Sama mo, dala-dala. Ay, bilap. Ay.
Gani, maligo mig dagat. Gikan pa mis magapalway. You good there, Sarpi? Good morning, everybody. It's Manang's birthday today. Maligo daw mig dagat. Unay true.
Katangan Sanctuary.
Katangan. Katangan Sanctuary. O na nasa, jud ay daghang bangus no.
Mama.
So the seawall is already done.
Sunod ang tubig tapos bubutangan lang hose para magawas ang tubig.
What? Oh, susakop, Jude. That one there. That's the old house of Gunggong. And that's the reservoir. Unagay dihang tab no. So
Dili may ang tab, ang bago naman nilang ibuhat.
okay. Katong daan nga tab. Pero nagagas gyapon na diha. It's a no trespassing. Dire na ta sa kilid. Okay, basig malabayan tag bato. Asa di ka mato, be? Darp. Oh, tanaw, ilang seawall. Pareha na ni. Nakalubong pa ni, wala na. O tanaw, gimaw naman ang ubuslay. Oh. Dapat na dyan mga bato. Mabagay. It's none of my business anyway. Yes. Maadto mi dito sa unahan kay maligo mig dagat. There. Wala kay sarado ang resort.
Dili pwede nga mga ayot ako maligo.
Mamukaw pa mi diri sa resort.
Di sila na maglinta mo sila lamisa.
What's ate? Early bird catches the rootworm.
So since sayutan, wa pa may nangaligo, di pwede ba tawag?
Kamaya siya kanang stage.
Stage presence.
Wait, we didn't host draw fire dancing.
Yeah, you can fire the dance.
Or dance.
Why are you getting mad? You choose a table. No, I'm not annoying. The resort is closed. Tara, oh. You're beautiful. Siya, unsa man na beauty contest? What? What's your problem? Tao po.
Dali na dayon mo kay bukat na ba yan eh.
Butan na lang lamisa. Sarado man. Mo, tag 300 man kanilang table dire. Di bayaran na to. No, this is a resort. We cannot trespass. We're going to pay inside. Yeah, if that's the case, we are trespassers. What?
If we are trespassers, that means we should climb up those metal bars.
These metal bars.
No, mga tayo na pamanta dito ano.
Gani. Sa'yo, hara sa dato, no? Gusto mo gud mo sa'yo. No. Don't step in that. Kana, dakpo na dyan tadi haog musulot na swimming pool. Because we don't pay it. It's still closed. Oh my God. Ayaw. Ayaw ba? Wala pa makita ka ba? Sarado man. What? Maybe there's someone on the front.
Where is the main office? Here, this is the main office.
Yeah, I think so. I'd say let's go to the front desk.
Wait, where? This is the coffee restaurant and drop off
Yeah.
hallway.
So let's come on. Let's
The
go.
office room is inside.
Yeah, I think. This is the canteen, right?
No,
This is the restaurant.
that's the coffee. It's not catch the worm. It's the garden.
Ayo. Pwede na maligo. Maligo na daw sila. Regine. Oh, bilis oh. Bilis na na Regine. Kay para sa'yo po may mahuman. Dili na kay init. Wala may tao.
Sige, okay na. Worm ba? Swimming pool man na tong worm ma.
Ha? Okay, sige na. Taraw na natin ito. Manang knows how to do that. After all, we're not trespassers. Sige, thank you. So after all, we're not trespassers. Yes, success.
I didn't, ma.
Yeah.
I didn't know bikinis aren't allowed.
What?
Bikinis aren't allowed.
Bikinis are not allowed?
Yeah.
You should not wear bikinis in swimming pool. Maybe when you get up from the swimming pool, the bikini will hulog. And you get up, no bikini at all.
Because bikinis are made for
For the beach.
the beach.
So, after all, wala gyud mi nag-trespass. Kina-entertain man mi. Si Nanay Regine.
Ay, natin na Regine. Ayaw na lang ko niyo.
Oh, nagbayad na mi ay. Ibayaran ka na mo, umutuslo. Dakton.
Pagpinta ba niya?
50 sila, 100 na.
Ano, yabag na. May ako banching ko sila.
Yeah, they're hungry. Ha? Huh? Are you hungry? Dili lagi siya hungry. Gusto na siya maligo sa pool.
Ang papa, oh.
Dili.
Dili yung papa. Our handa for today is ganyan lang. Part 1.
Kamoy tagiya? Yun, the pool.
Yes.
Wala ba si Bill ba daw? Salig ka kay wala kay jewelry.
Unsa?
Jewelry.
Jewelry, siguro. Baby is crying because she wanted to spend the whole time at the pool. But we're going to buy some purple ice cream. Right, baby? It's there. Wali na mi. Oh, there's a ship. Yes. You can have stick spoon, yes. Purple. Yes, you can have. You can have anything you want. We're going home na.
Back to the reality. We're going home now. No, it's not.
Da. Bye, Labanisa.
Welcome to Lolo Doming, President. Ako na, apil ako. Sila, usa pa. Another, try one. Try another one. Try another one. Ian.
How about you? Why are you standing there? Let's go home. Come on. Manoy, baba si Sarpe. Manoy, di na siya ganahan mawalk. Sige na. Come on, let's go to Manoy. Baba to Manoy. Walk eh. Sige na, yung baba with Manoy. Kamu na pa ni Manoy magbuy og ice cream. Can I have the small one and the one with stick? And can I have a spoon stick? Alkansi gid si Manoy, daog gid permanente si boss. Let's go home na. Nag-smile na.